great. I don't wanna go to work cause my boss is a jerk and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life cause I don't feel alive and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting. And I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
What's going on YouTube? In today's video we're gonna be working on the LED pillars, upgrading them to do the turn signal. If you haven't seen part 1 where we did the running light, brake and reverse, I'll go ahead and link it on top of the screen because you will need that first in order to do this upgrade. Also, if you guys like to support the channel, I will be making the LED kit and having them for sale, and you can reach me on my Instagram. I'll go ahead and link it down below right over here. They will be using the same high quality LEDs that I am using on my personal truck. So exactly just how I have them, they'll be set up the same way. You will just let me know, the features that you want on it, and I'll go ahead and customize it to your way. I also want to thank everybody for the positive feedback and support on the channel. And actually today we're actually doing this wiring due to one of our subscribers. So he actually gave me the idea of the wiring we're going to be using today, because before I already had the LED turn signals wired up and ready for the video, but I was using a relay. But he actually gave me a better idea, so we won't be using a relay today, which is going to make it simple. And I'll go ahead and list his information. Nate, thanks for all the advice. And Nate, if you're hearing this, I appreciate you. And also, if you guys want to check him out, he does have a badass Yukon. So like I said, I'll go ahead and link his information on the screen right over here if you want to follow him on his Instagram or YouTube. So if you want to check that out, make sure you stay tuned and let's get to it. Alright guys, to do the upgrade is going to be pretty simple. So we're just going to have to take off both tail lights. I just have the drivers off right now. But if you remember on last time, we had to grab signal from the tail lights and we did reverse, parking and brake. So we're gonna remove that brake wire we tapped in, and then we're gonna extend it, so make it longer, so that way it'll reach under the truck, because we are gonna be tapping into the trailer hitch harness. So let me go ahead and extend both sides. I'm gonna do this side and the other side, and I'll have them both down, and then we'll tap into the trailer hitch harness right over here. So let me do that. All right guys, so I went ahead and ran my 2 wires. So my blue is for my left turn signal, and then this light green is for my right turn signal. And you can use whatever colors you want, it doesn't really matter, you're just extending them. But on my harness, the yellow wire was my left turn signal, so I went ahead and soldered it right there. And then this dark green is my right turn signal, so I went ahead and soldered that. And I just got to tape them up and close them. I just wanted to show you. But this is what it looks like. And if you look at the plug, it'll be this top right here, and I'll also label it on the screen. This top will be the left turn signal, and then right across from it, like right here, is gonna be the right turn signal. We are tapping into the turn signals from this trailer hitch, but it will do the brake signal as well, so don't worry about that. It'll do both functions. And thanks to Nate, for purchasing a set of the pillar kit. He went ahead and installed it, and then decided to play with it, and hooked it up to here so that it could do the turn signal and brake. And it functions real good, and it's pretty easy to do. So I want to give credit back to him. And also, if you don't have this harness, let me know down below in the comments, and I can show you how to do it with the relay up here, how I had it before. Because originally, I wasn't really thinking of messing with this, since like I said, the truck is low and I've had this tucked up forever. But I can do it with the harness on a relay. If you don't have this, just let me know down below in the comments. So let me go ahead and put this back together, and I'll show you how it looks like. So there we have the left turn signal, and there's the right turn signal right there as well. And whenever you put your hazards on, they'll both flash at the same time as well, since they are using the same stock wiring. And this right here is the brake right there, so that way you have both brake and turn signal on the same wiring. Here's a look at how it would look if you're riding around at night with your headlights on, and you step on the brake, it'll be solid on the opposite end, and then on the turn signal side, like right here, it'll still show the flashes. So you'll be good right there. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments on the pillar upgrade for the LED turn signal, if you'll be doing it or not. And also, if you like this content, don't forget to hit that like button down below so that we can keep doing more content like this and more cool upgrades. But that'll be it for this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. We're gone.